morning, germs. We are out snow plowing. It is, what's the date today? Isn't it like middle of January something or another? Anyways, it's middle of January. Man, we got like a rain snow mix, the worst possible thing for a plow truck, man. It's just a sloppy mess. At least it's not more of it. Probably got, I don't know, 2 inches, I think. So it's not too crazy, but anywho, pulling up to the first resi here. Gonna get her done. We're in Zimmerman, Minnesota. And ooh, that was a good one. We're about to get to her here.
Is that a puppy?
I think it's a get-to. Is that a get-to up there? It is. Oh my goodness. Guys, you ever see cats while you're out plowing? I often don't. This is the first time for me. So, I think. Got the wife with me today. She's doing some shoveling. She's really good at it.
Chevy 3/4 ton, and obviously she is red. She has 283,000 miles on her, and she is still going very strong. The exhaust pipes, though, I'm sure you can already tell, behind the muffler did come off. This truck was straight pipe, so it was already loud to begin with, and now it's even more extra loud, if that makes any sense. More extra loud.
You guys want to know my biggest plowing tip? It's actually knowing where you're going to go with your snow before you start pushing it. Because if you don't know where you're going to push it to, you're basically just pushing snow around. So it only makes sense, right? Boy, I don't even think they've been out.
Here I go.
Little half ton with a plow on it. Don't recommend doing that.
I know that guy. Oh, Dave. His baby half ton.
At least not commercially. If you guys are gonna plow commercially, you should probably purchase a 3/4 ton. That's just my personal opinion. You do what you want. Do what you want. Uh-oh, truck's getting hot.
We're on the road at this time too.
Settling down a little bit. She does not like the warm weather though. So I noticed the plow flap is flipping up and it's blocking the radiator. It's not really bad right now, but down in the, you can see it in the corner now. It's starting to lift.
Yeah, so if you guys know of a way to keep that rubber plow flap from flipping up, I'd greatly appreciate it. It seems like anytime I get up over 50, 55 miles an hour, that thing flips straight up. And I only run my plow probably 2 inches off the ground in the first place. So if you know of a way to keep it down, I'd like hearing from you. Leave it down in the comments below. So now we're plowing a another residential driveway out in Elk River.
So guys, with a straight blade plow, if you angle the blade a little bit, the boogers will run off this side. So it kind of keeps your mess off to where you haven't finished yet, which is really helpful. Kind of windrows it off to the side ever so slightly. Always good to have that slightly angled. So I back drag most of these. I don't have a back dragging blade on here, but this plow works okay. It's a hiniker 8-foot straight blade, and so we're just back dragging these all down, and then I push them off to the sides. So that's kind of how you do a residential driveway like this. And then we always make sure we're not leaving booger trails off on the driveways. So whether you have the shovel do that or the plow, you can do it either way.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys were able to maybe learn something. Maybe you were just entertained, and maybe I can learn something from you guys. But as always, like my videos, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see more of. And yeah, I hope I can interact with you a little bit and get to know some of you guys. If you have a channel that you'd like me to check out, leave it down below as well. And subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. It goes a long ways in keeping me motivated to make more of these. So thank you guys again. Stay safe, God bless, and make it a great day.